Hi everyone, I hope everyone is in good shape and good health. My name is Viraj and welcome back to my channel DataCraft. For today we are going to solve another interesting SQL problem that helps us to understand common table expressions, subqueries as well as apply certain filtering techniques. So for this problem I would break it down into very simple steps to make you understand how it works and how it is structured this way. So the question states that it's a medium level problem in lead code. So the question states that huh, we need to find the number of accounts that did not stream. And for that purpose, we have been provided with two tables, the subscription table and the streams table. For the subscription table, account ID acts as a primary key, whereas for the column session ID acts as a primary key and account ID over here acts as a foreign key. And after going through the question, I found out that there is some miswording for this question. Like just go through the output over here or the discussion, you will find out that okay, what the question means is something like what the output means is something different apart, like not the question itself. Okay, but the question is that we need to find out those people who had a subscription in 2021 but did not had any session, any session in streaming activity for the year 2021. After after finding out those individuals, we need to count the number of accounts for that purpose. Now how do you approach this problem? The first step is, of course, you filter out those account ID with who have a subscription in 2021. Then the next step would be, yeah, once again filtering out for the streaming stable, like for the year 2021. Then you count it, and after counting it you get the desired output, that is number 2 or whatever for the case. So let's solve it. The first step is, of course, you just select the account ID from subscription, and then I need to add a condition, right? That the start date should be less than equals to less than 2021, then 12, then 31. Now this condition makes sure that all the people who have done a subscription, like who have started the subscription date, should be less than the 31st of December. And the second condition is that the end date should be like, if certain people who have started the subscription in 2018 and have an end date in anywhere in the 2021, so this condition then makes sure that those people are also included. End date should be greater than equals to 2000 2021-01-01. Now I will just run this. Perfect. So you could see that these are the account IDs who have an active subscription for the year 2021. Now I would convert this into a common table expression because I want the results at some later point of the query. Now I would be selecting from the streams table. Now you'll be using the streams table. Okay. From the streams table, I would be needing the account ID from from sorry from streams, enter, where condition is that the stream date, that is the year, should be like as in the subscription table there is a start date and the end date, but over here there is no such like inclusive date, right? So I would just use the year to filter it out, or you could use the extract part, that is extract year from stream date and then filter it out. Is equals to 2020 is not equals to 2021, right? Sorry, because the question itself says that we want those people who haven't had any session for the year 2021. And now when I filter this out, you could see that okay, I will use the stream date for a better understanding of the problem. Yes, so you could see that these are the account IDs who had no streaming session for the year 2021. But the thing is, we also, there is a condition that have been stated in the question, that we want only those account ID who have an active subscription for the year 2021. Now that's where the common table expression comes into play, because we are getting like the query output, for like query output as those accounts who have an active session. Now let's just use that condition, like we would only use those account ID who had an active session. Now, so for that purpose, I would be using an in operator. What does in operator do? In operator basically uh like matches values in one set against another one. Like it checks basically like these account ID, that this one over here, are included in this query, like from the CTE. And like I'm writing it down, but it works in that way. Select account ID from CTE. Okay, this should work in. Now you could see that the account ID 9 and 4 are those account IDs who had an active subscription in 2021 but did not streamed, like did not had any streaming session for the year 2021, and only those output we have getting it. But the thing is, we don't want the actual account ID, rather we want the number of people, right? So for that thing, I just need to cancel the stream date and count it, count count. And I want the total count. I don't want uh like the grouping thing kind of stuff. I don't want that thing as uh, perfect. It should work. Perfect. Yeah, good. Submit it. So once you run this query, you would be getting that the result, the output query is in like just a single digit, and that's what we wanted, right? And for that, and for solving this problem, we have went into how filtering works, how common table expression, like this one common table expression works, and also the subquery part. And this question is quite important, like when you are trying to figure out, like when you are trying to understand how customer retention and engagement works. Let's say I work at Netflix or Hotstar or Disney Hotstar, something like that, or Hulu, and I need to figure out like whether people are actively engaging on my platform. For that purpose, this problem is quite helpful to understand, right? It would give us the idea of how like whether people are actively engaging with a platform. The second thing is, if people are actively engaging with the platform, what is the reason that they have been actively engaging? Let's say there has been, like let's say a person have had a like subscription plan in 2020, and he have been continuously watching shows in 2021. We could determine that like what are the are there any like let's say are there any new features or new content for that year, that's the reason why this person has been actively engaging with a platform, stuff like that. By using this thing, we could also like target the loyal customers. You could give them early access to certain shows, upsell new features, etc. So this problem is quite helpful in real time view, and I hope you have better understood the concept of common table expression, how it is helpful in like simplifying the complex queries, as well as the subquery part and the filtering techniques. uh, like just try it out yourself to see how this stuff works, and it just makes stuff easy. And do tell me if you need any help. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you found this quite helpful, please hit the like button over there, and do subscribe my channel to Data Crafts for more SQL tutorials, and like for more problem solving techniques. I hope to see you in the next video, and till then, be safe, be happy, and be in a good shape. Thank you. Bye bye.